with Sean, but he wasn't a match. Wrote some songs over Ricky, now I listen and laugh. Even no one's got married, and for Pete I'm so thankful. Wish I could say thank you to Malcolm, cause he was an angel. One taught me love, one taught me patience, and one taught me pain. Now I'm so amazing, I've loved and I've lost, but that's not what I see.